Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nashi Semata, breast oncoplasty surgeon at Aster RV Hospital. Now, we know that breast cancer is a type of curable cancer provided it is detected early. Now, what brings about early detection? It's awareness. I have been asked time and again by so many patients, what can we do to get detected early? The most common answer being getting a mammogram done after the age of 40, which we've spoken about over and over again. Now, other than a mammogram, there is also something else that you can do at your home with no cost implication, with no other equipment, just by checking yourself. Yes, I'm talking about self-breast examination, and today we are going to demonstrate and talk about how to go about the same. The first part of self-breast examination is what we call look, where you stand in front of a mirror with hands on the hips and examine yourself and look for symmetry between the two breasts, whether there is any change in the shape of one breast compared to the other, any fullness in any part of the breast, any change in the skin over the breast, or any change in the appearance of a nipple. This needs to be elicited in 3 positions, one being hands on the hips, hands over the head, and bending forward position. This completes the first part of examining yourself. The second part of self-breast examination is called feel, where we examine our breasts either in standing position while taking a shower or in lying down position, that is before going to bed. With the pulp of your 3 fingers and not the tip of your index, middle and ring finger, to examine the left breast, make sure that your left hand is behind the head, and with your right hand you examine the breast in a soft circular manner where your fingers are parallel to your ribs and not perpendicular to your ribs. The wrong method of examination can make you feel like there are lumps which are not there. Similarly, for the right breast, make sure that your right hand is tucked behind your head, and with your left hand in circular pattern, in circular motion, you examine your entire breast. Make sure you do not miss out the area behind the nipple, the area lateral to the breast, and also the armpits, because some breast cancer cases can present as a swelling under the arm. A big thank you to our sister for being with us here today and for helping us demonstrate the same. Thank you, sister. Now, the motion technique that we demonstrated earlier is the dial method or the circular method. There are 2 other techniques that can be employed. One is the vertical up and down method or the radial method. Any technique is fine as long as you make sure you don't miss any part of your breast while examining it. Now, the last 2 questions remaining is, when do we do it and how frequently do we do it? When it comes to when, the most ideal time period to do self-breast examination would be the week after your last period. This is the most ideal time frame to go about with the same. And how frequently should we do it? Why should we do it? Only when you examine and keep getting accustomed to examining yourself, only when you know what is normal will abnormal be picked up. So we would advise you to get breast self-examination done at least once in 3 months so that any changes in the breast can be picked up as early as possible. Self-breast examination is very important to pick up any kind of breast lump. Breast lump did not always mean cancer, but every breast lump needs to be evaluated. At Aster International Institute of Oncology, we believe that you need to give yourself those 2 minutes of examining yourself.